Let's bring it all together. We want to integrate this understanding by using the power of imagination, not just to think about calm, but to deeply feel and embody that coherent, safe state.
Bridging the physical regulation we practice with the creative power of the mind, confirming that safe signal.
Exactly. We're going to guide you through a short visualization, a synthesis, really, drawing on the river metaphor that appears in various forms across different contemplative and energetic traditions. It's a powerful way to feel into regulation and flow.
All right. So listeners, if you're in a place where you can safely do so, I invite you to close your eyes now. If you're driving or need to keep your eyes open, just soften your gaze and allow the words to paint a picture inwardly. Let yourself relax as much as possible.
Let's begin with step 1, arriving in the body. Just take a moment to really land here. Feel the points of contact between your body and whatever is supporting you, the chair, the floor, the earth beneath you. Feel that solid support.
Let your shoulders melt down away from your ears. Release any tension you might be holding in your forehead. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Let your jaw unclench. Soften the tiny muscles around your eyes. Just let go of the effort of holding yourself together.
Now, take a slow, full breath in through your nose, maybe for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause gently at the top. And then let the breath drip out through your mouth, even slower, maybe for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your body settle with the exhale. Let each out-breath be a letting go of internal noise, of static.
Good. Now step 2, entering the river. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, wide, clear river. The sun is warm, the air is fresh. As you first look at the water, perhaps its surface reflects your current inner state. Maybe it looks a little choppy, a bit uneven, mirroring any lingering thoughts or anxieties.
That's okay. Just notice it. Now, imagine stepping closer to the water's edge. Dip your hand in. Feel the coolness, the gentle flow. Notice the water seems filled with a soft golden light. As your hand enters the water, imagine that light instantly dissolving any lingering static from your day worries, to-do list, mental chatter just lift off you like dust and are immediately carried away by the river's current.
Feeling lighter already. Now, take a breath and imagine stepping fully into the river. The water is maybe waist deep, pleasantly cool and supportive. You're not fighting the current, you're allowing it to hold you, to support you. Feel the flow moving around you.
Step 3, calming the flow. Now become aware of the connection between your breath and the river's current. Notice how, as you deliberately slow down your exhale, making it long, smooth, and complete, the current of the river itself begins to respond.
With each slow out-breath, imagine the choppiness on the water's surface smoothing out. The ripples settle. The flow becomes even, steady, gentle. The surface becomes like glass, perfectly reflecting the clear blue sky above without any distortion.
This smooth, glassy surface is the feeling of your nervous system finding deep regulation. This is ventral vagal embodied, calm, clear, coherent.
Now, if any distracting thoughts arise, see them not as problems to be solved, but simply as small, dry leaves landing gently on the surface of this calm river. Watch as the gentle current picks them up and carries them effortlessly downstream, disappearing around a bend. No struggle, no effort needed from you. You just allow the flow to carry them away. You remain anchored in the calm current. You are safe here.
Step 4. Opening to flow. As the water remains clear and the flow stays smooth and steady, begin to notice tiny shimmering threads of warm golden light appearing in the water around you. They weave effortlessly through the current, drifting gently towards you.
These golden threads represent your desires, your intentions, the opportunities, the insights, the connections that are meant for you. Notice they aren't rushing towards you frantically. They aren't struggling. They are simply drifting, moving with ease on the same calm current that you embody.
Feel that same easy, steady, flowing quality inside your own body now. Feel the calm rhythm of your heart, the deep, smooth pace of your breath, and realize, in this moment, you are the river. The very state of calm, coherent flow that you cultivate within yourself is the magnetic current that draws your desires towards you effortlessly. Let your next slow exhale be a full surrender into this ease, into this knowing. You don't have to chase, you simply become the flow.
Step 5. Integration. Now gently, slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the physical sensations of your body sitting here. Back to the room around you. But keep a sense of that inner river, that smooth, calm flow within you. Don't let it go completely.
As you prepare to open your eyes, gently place your hand over your heart center once more. Feel the warmth of your hand. Feel the stillness and coherence you've cultivated within your chest.
And silently or softly aloud, affirm this truth to yourself with conviction. I can return to calm anytime I choose. My safety is my alignment. Feel that truth resonate in your body.
When you feel ready, slowly, gently, let your eyes drift open. Let the light back in softly. Take a moment just to notice. Notice the lingering calm in your body. Maybe the softness in your face, the openness in your chest, this feeling. This isn't just imagination, this is physiology. This is the regulated state where manifestation ceases to be effort and becomes natural resonance. Just take another moment here. Really savor this state. Notice the difference from maybe how you felt 20 or 30 minutes ago. The slower breath, the groundedness, maybe a sense of quiet expansion. What we've explored today drives home the central thesis. Calm isn't a detour you take before manifesting. Calm is the state of alignment itself.